Today, the capacity to adapt to rapid market changes and attention to the needs of its clientele are the fundamental strong points of any company aiming to sink deep and long-lasting roots in its sector of reference. SITAL is a company that has been operating in the industrial soundproofing and air conditioning sectors for more than 40 years. With a spirit always oriented towards innovation, quality and customer satisfaction, it has the conviction that these variables are the irrevocable mainstays of its success and development. In the year 2000, this philosophy led to SITAL receiving recognition of its own company quality system through the attainment of ISO 9001 certification.
La SITAL è sicuramente in grado di progettare, di proporre la soluzione a un'infinità di problemi. I nostri prodotti possono essere utilizzati e sono utilizzati nei più disparati ambienti, che vanno dal deserto al circolo polare artico, quindi hanno esigenze di proteggere gli impianti interni dalle tempeste di sabbia, come hanno esigenze di lavorare con meno 50 gradi di temperatura esterna, con tutto quello che ne consegue.
Founded in 1970 by Bruno Sbalbi, it has become an Italian and international point of reference due to its renowned capacity to find simple solutions to complex problems. For a decade, it has been in contact with the control board enclosure sector, collaborating not only with middle-sized companies in Italy and abroad, but also multinationals the likes of General Electric, Schneider, Nidec, Caterpillar and Eni, etc. With the assertive affirmation of oil and gas, SITAL has also played a leading role in this sector, matching its own know-how to the criticality that characterizes it. In particular, it has specialized in blast proofing, passive fire protection in accordance with SOLAS norms, painting for offshore environments in compliance with the ISO 12944 norm, which classifies painting cycles based upon the level of reference environment corrosiveness, the production of containers for offshore handling, as well as the production of enclosures for environments characterized by low temperatures, or on the contrary, the presence of temperatures over 50 degrees centigrade and frequent sandstorms. Recently, it has become routine to meet logistical and safety needs, producing local electric rooms of considerable dimensions through modular steel enclosures of a transportable size that are then assembled on-site. SITAL's production capacity, combined with its heritage in terms of know-how and human resources, allows it to play a starring role in this market segment. The SITAL offer can be either limited to the supply of only steel structures or extended to turnkey packages, complete with all the plant required: illumination, fire and gas, HVAC, electric connections, etc. Thanks to a flexible organization, SITAL is able to easily adapt its production process to the market's various movements, making sure it is always prepared to face any kind of production challenge, both in terms of quantity and quality. A well-structured technical office is able to implement any type of project, from the feasibility study to the release of the final design and all the order documentation, availing itself of both internal resources and, where necessary, qualified external consultants. The production apparatus can count on a 10,000 square metre covered surface and a further uncovered 8,000 square metres usable for storing finished products. The company is equipped with a complete machine park and an assembly line specially studied for the production of standard and special shelters. The jewel in the crown is the painting shop that can boast a room for automatic turbine sandblasting and one for the automatic painting of containers up to 20 meters in length. The containers are mounted on supports that rotate 360 degrees, allowing the reciprocators to treat all the interested surfaces in a homogeneous manner, guaranteeing a very high level of quality able to meet the strictest requirements of norms and reference specifications.
Penso che una delle migliori capacità, nei migliori punti di forza dell'azienda si differenziano nelle capacità tecniche, che sono a mio avviso quasi illimitate, e anche le capacità di soddisfare le richieste del cliente in base alle specifiche di riferimento e alle problematiche che ogni progetto presenta, con una grande capacità di ridurre i tempi di produzione senza incidere sulla qualità del prodotto.
SITAL, an expanding company, a reliable partner for your business.